What if I told you that the secret to youthful, radiant skin lies in a humble bean? Yes, you heard that right. The castor bean, often overlooked, holds the key to unlocking a world of beauty benefits that have been cherished for generations. It's true. For centuries, castor oil has been prized for its remarkable healing properties. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, revered this oil for its ability to heal wounds, moisturize skin, and even promote hair growth. This ancient beauty secret, derived from the castor bean plant, is making a grand comeback in the world of skincare. Modern science is now backing up what our ancestors knew all along, that castor oil is a powerhouse of nutrients and antioxidants. Today we're diving deep into the wonders of castor oil for the face. From reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to deeply hydrating the skin, castor oil offers a multitude of benefits that can transform your skincare routine. Get ready to discover why it's often called nature's Botox, and how it can help you achieve the healthy, youthful complexion you've always dreamed of. Imagine waking up to skin that feels soft, supple, and rejuvenated, all thanks to this natural elixir. Whether you're battling wrinkles, dryness, or simply seeking a natural way to enhance your skin's natural beauty, castor oil might just be the answer you've been searching for. Its unique composition of fatty acids and vitamins works synergistically to nourish and protect your skin, giving you that coveted glow. So, why not give it a try and see the magic of castor oil for yourself? Castor oil is a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for the skin. This natural elixir has been used for centuries, revered for its healing and rejuvenating properties. From ancient Egypt to modern skincare routines, castor oil has stood the test of time. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This means it not only soothes irritated skin, but also helps to combat acne-causing bacteria, making it a versatile addition to your skincare arsenal. But what makes castor oil truly special is its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin. This deep penetration ensures that the nutrients are delivered right where they are needed the most, providing maximum benefits. Unlike many other oils that just sit on the surface, castor oil goes deeper, working its magic from within. This deep action helps to nourish the skin from the inside out, ensuring long-lasting hydration and a healthy glow. This deep penetration helps to boost collagen and elastin production, two essential proteins that keep our skin firm and youthful. Collagen provides structure and strength, while elastin allows the skin to stretch and bounce back. The result? A visible reduction in fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet. Regular use of castor oil can lead to smoother, more resilient skin, effectively reducing the signs of aging. Castor oil plumps up the skin, making it look smoother, tighter, and more youthful. Its hydrating properties help to fill in fine lines and give the skin a more even texture. It's like turning back the hands of time naturally. With consistent use, castor oil can transform your skin, giving you a radiant, youthful appearance that defies age. Ready to experience the magic of castor oil? This natural elixir has been cherished for centuries for its myriad of benefits, especially for the skin. Whether you're looking to hydrate, reduce wrinkles, or simply give your skin a radiant glow, castor oil can be a game changer. Here's a simple guide to incorporating it into your skincare routine. First, always start with a clean face. Make sure to remove any makeup and wash your face with a gentle cleanser. This ensures that the oil can penetrate deeply without any barriers. Less is more. Castor oil is thick and potent, so a little goes a long way. You don't need to drench your face in it. Just a few drops are enough to cover your entire face and neck. Start with just 2 to 3 drops for your entire face. If you feel you need more, you can always add another drop or two, but it's best to start small. Warm it up by rubbing the oil between your palms to warm it slightly. This not only makes the oil easier to spread, but also helps in better absorption into the skin. This helps with better absorption. When the oil is warm, it can penetrate the skin more effectively, ensuring that you get the maximum benefits. Using upward circular motions, gently massage the oil into your skin. This technique not only helps in better absorption, but also promotes blood circulation, giving your skin a natural, healthy glow. Focus on areas prone to wrinkles like the forehead, around the eyes, and mouth. These areas tend to show signs of aging first, and castor oil can help in keeping them hydrated and smooth. For best results, apply castor oil before bed and leave it on overnight. This allows the oil to work its magic while you sleep, giving you soft and rejuvenated skin in the morning. Wash your face as usual in the morning. Remember, consistency is key. Regular use of castor oil can lead to noticeable improvements in your skin's texture and appearance. While some people notice results within a few weeks, it's best to use castor oil regularly for at least a month to see a significant difference. Patience and consistency will reward you with healthier, glowing skin. As we age, our skin naturally produces less collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles, sagging, and dryness. This is where castor oil truly shines for those over 40, 50, and beyond. Its potent anti-aging properties help to combat these signs of aging, restoring a youthful glow to mature skin. The deep hydration it provides is particularly beneficial for aging skin, which tends to be drier. Castor oil can help reduce the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation, common concerns for mature skin. It's like a natural skin rejuvenation treatment, right in your own home. One of the key reasons castor oil is so effective for the face is its incredible moisturizing properties. Unlike many other oils, it doesn't clog pores, making it suitable for even sensitive skin types. Castor oil is a humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture from the air. This helps to keep the skin hydrated, plump, and supple. Dry skin is more prone to wrinkles and fine lines, so keeping it well hydrated is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. Regular use of castor oil can help to balance your skin's natural oil production, preventing both dryness and excessive oiliness. It's like giving your skin a big drink of water, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and revitalized. Number 6. Beyond wrinkles, tackling skin concerns with castor oil. The benefits of castor oil extend far beyond anti-aging. It's a versatile skincare ingredient that can address a range of skin concerns. For acne, its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective in fighting acne-causing bacteria and reducing inflammation. When it comes to scars, castor oil can help to fade acne scars and other blemishes, promoting smoother, clearer skin. And for dark circles, its ability to improve circulation makes it beneficial in reducing the appearance of dark circles and under-eye bags. Whether you're struggling with breakouts, uneven skin tone, or stubborn scars, castor oil can be a valuable addition to your skincare arsenal. Number 7. Castor oil versus the others. Why it reigns supreme. With so many skincare products on the market, why choose castor oil? Here's why it stands out from the crowd. First, it's natural and affordable. Unlike many expensive creams and serums, castor oil is a natural, affordable, and readily available solution. Second, its unique ability to penetrate deeply makes it more effective than many surface-level treatments. And third, castor oil is a multitasker, addressing various skin concerns, from wrinkles to acne to dryness. It's a gentle yet powerful alternative to harsh chemicals and synthetic ingredients. Castor oil works in harmony with your skin, promoting its natural healing processes. Number 8. Listen to your skin, a note of caution. While castor oil is generally safe for topical use, it's essential to do a patch test before applying it to your entire face. Apply a small amount of oil to your inner forearm and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. If you experience any redness, itching, or burning, discontinue use. Start with a small amount of oil and gradually increase as needed. Remember, less is more when it comes to castor oil. Number 9. Embrace the glow. Your journey to radiant skin begins now. Castor oil is more than just a skincare ingredient. It's a testament to the power of nature's healing touch. Its ability to combat wrinkles, hydrate deeply, and address various skin concerns makes it a true gem in the world of beauty. Are you ready to embrace the power of nature's Botox? Incorporate castor oil into your skincare routine and experience the transformation for yourself. Get ready to greet the world with a newfound confidence and a radiant, youthful glow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.